welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you through how I prepare Escoveitched sauce, which can be used on fish or any meat of your choice. So I gather together all my seasonings that I will be using, which includes a large onion, a small green bell pepper, small yellow bell pepper, a small red bell pepper. I used 4 pieces of garlic. I used pimento grains. I used 2 sprig of thyme, and I used 2 medium carrots. So you did not see me, but I prepped all my vegetables before. I made sure to wash them and then to dice them. I will not leave any instructions in the description box. I used, I would say, 2.5 cups white cane vinegar, and you can substitute this or use this at your own maybe taste, or the taste or the flavor that you're looking for, I should say. Then you can use the amount you want, but I use 2.5 cups of white cane vinegar. I use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I use 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar in this. I use a 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil to grease the pan to saute the onions or to saute the vegetables. So I used a little hint of olive oil to just not allow the vegetables to stick. Once I added that, then I added my onions. I like my onions well cooked. The carrots doesn't have to be cooked out for me. I like them crunchy, and also the bell pepper. Here, once the onions were sauteed, I started to add the bell peppers. I left the thyme for last, and I did this on medium heat. And then I added my carrots. Once I added everything, I continued to add vinegar because this evaporates. So as I mentioned earlier, it depends on you and how much you want. And I also use 2 Scotch bonnet peppers in it. And might I tell you, they were very hot. Just by cutting them up, I literally could smell. Thanks, big up to Shanice. I hope you watch this video and comment in the comment section. Thank you for that bag of pepper. Yes, so once I did that, I continued to add a little white cane vinegar as needed. You can also taste it to see if it is done to your liking or if you need to add more salt. As I reiterate in all my videos, less salt is best. Black people, we are prone to hypertension, and I come from a family where that is a big factor. At present, thanks be to God, I do not have hypertension or high blood pressure. However, I try from early, I would say, to exempt salt because the seasonings we use, they are loaded with salt. So I don't need additional salt. Less salt is best. And even if I use salt, it's just a hint. Once this is cooked, I would say this took me under 10 minutes. I allow to cool, then I pour in my glass jar. Once it's cooled, it's best to store it in the refrigerator, and you can use it as you want with any meat or any food of your choice that you want spicy. Again, this is my way, and this came out good, tasted really good. And you will see in another video that I did with some fried fish how it looked so scrumptious with it. As I say, as you go along, taste. I tasted mine needed a little more sugar and a little more vinegar, so I poured a little more. I allowed to cook for a little more, and then I just turn my heat off and I just leave it there. It smelled so good, like you could eat it as is. There you go, see my bottle that I got. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Bye.